In this video, we will do one more case study on Alibaba.com. So here you can see, for example, if I try to search mobile phones, and you can see different mobile phones here and different sellers, prices, as you have seen in the last video as well. But in this video, what we will do more, if you go below, you can see here, let me zoom it. Here you can see we are getting related searches: used phones, smartphone, smartwatch, iPhone, and so these are the related searches for the keyword that you are searching in this website. So in this video we will do web scraping. Like if I search mobile phones, then we will collect all the data from used phone, smartphone, and all the available search terms here, right? If we have 6 or 7 related search terms, then the Power Query, first of all, it will go and collect the data for the used phone, and we will get all the data that is available in this page, right? The whole page. And then again it will go for the used phone, and then again collect all the data, and then we will merge all this data to build the complete data set, right? And then you can utilize that data set for the further analysis. Let's go to the Power Query editor, and I need to get this URL, copy, and then I need to go to the Power Query get data web, and here I need to paste. Click OK. So here you can see, let's click here, table 7, table 6, 4. So here you have seen that we are not able to get the data that belong to the related searches. So what we have to do now, here you can see one option, add table using examples. Click here, scroll down. So here you can see the related searches. Like the first one is, let me write here, used phones, this one, and then the second one is smartphone. Here you can see smartphones, so that the Power Query recognize this table. And if you click here, see, after typing in 2 places, like in the first row used phone, then in the second row smartphone, and if you click somewhere after 3 or 4 rows, it will automatically recognize all the fields that are available for the related searches, this table, right? So you have seen here, let me zoom it. So here you have seen the last value here is iPhone 11 Pro Max. So you can see here is iPhone 11 Pro Max, right? So we need to name this column, for example, like related products. Click OK. And we just need to load. So if you click again to the transform data, and here you can see these are the related products, right? So now we need to change the name of the table. This is we can say it's products. Now we need to add one parameter here. Just click on the manage parameter, new parameter, and the name of the parameter is like search products, and here you can write any description here. The type is text, and the suggested value is any value, right? And here we can write like mobiles. Click OK. So this is the search product, this is the parameter, right? And now we need to associate these search products with this product table. So click here, go to the advanced editor, and here we have to use this parameter. Let me copy, advanced editor. So here you can see we can write here, we need to delete double quotation and sign and the name of the parameter, search products. That's it. And now we need to click OK. Done. And here you can see that previously we have written here mobile phones, and now we have entered just mobiles, and you will see this list. So this is, we didn't get any search related search queries for the products mobiles. So let's try to add mobile phones, then click the products. So here you can see we are getting use phone, smartphone, and some other stuff. Let me write this like cameras, like camera, and then we need to click products. So here you can see mini camera, Wi-Fi camera, Canon, DSLR camera. So different types of results you can see here, right? So now we are able to fetch the related search results, right? And now our next task is we need to fetch the data automatically for all these related products, and then we need to combine, right? Like if you do this stuff manually, you just need to go first, you need to search camera, and then you will see the related search terms, and then you need to go one by one. First you have to search mini camera, Wi-Fi, and then collect all the results. Then again you have to search for the thermal cameras and so on, and at the end you need to combine 6 results. If you have like 10 related products, you can estimate that how much time it will take, right? So now we need again one query here. Let me copy, and now let's try to get data from the web again, paste, and OK. So here you can see the table 1. So we are interested in this column 1, column 2, and some other informations. The prices are there, yes, prices there, it's fine. So we can take the table 1, click OK, and in which column we are interested, this column 1, and just press Ctrl and column 2, then column 4, then column 5, and then we are interested in, for example, feedback. This is the rating column, right? I guess this is the rating as well. So you can choose any column according to your requirement. Right click and remove other columns. Okay, so at the end we need these columns for all the related search terms. So just rename it like products. This is the price range, order quantity, this is the seller, and this one is the feedback. That's it, right? We can just rename it final products, and then we have to click at the advanced editor, and we need to write one function here. The function name is like products as text. This is the function, so we need to use this function parameter here. Percent and paste. This is the name of the parameter, right? So we just need to click done, and now we need to click here the products table. So we just need to click add column, and then we have to click invoked function, this one. So because we need to invoke fx, and you can write any name, column name here. The function query, the name is final products. Here you can see fx final products, and the name of the column is related products, right? Click OK. So here you can see it has now we are getting this result for every products, like camera. So we are getting different cameras, so we are getting different result for each search term, like DSLR, and here you can see we are getting this information, right? Here you can see the smart mini video. If I click the digital camera, you will see cute 3.0 inch HD screen, right? Okay, so we just need to click here. So in which column we are interested, click all. Okay, and here you can see we got this result like mini camera, and then thermal camera, then underlying results here, camera, Canon camera, DSLR, and lot of other stuff, right? So all are merged in one table. So if we again go to the search product, and if you search, for example, so if you search clocks, and then click the product, so you can see we are getting different types of clocks here. So here you can see the hourly clock, wake up alarm clock, and all the information that we have chosen, the columns, that what in which column we are interested. So here you can see all the related information as well. So in this way it saves a lot of time. We just search one product, and we just click one time, and it does the magic for you. So in this way you can prepare your data set for the further analysis. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.